Hello student, today we are going to see the fourth chapter, Chemical Thermodynamics. Chemical Thermodynamics, here we will see some topics like type of system, properties of system, state and state function, then nature of heat and work, then first law of thermodynamics, then different terms like enthalpy, what is internal energy, okay, then there is a relation between the enthalpy and internal energy, then thermochemistry, okay, such concept we will see. So first we will start with the introduction. What is thermodynamics? What is chemical thermodynamics? So thermodynamics means what? Thermo means heat and dynamics means changes. So thermodynamics means there is a transformation of energy from one form into the another form. See, there are different forms of energy like chemical energy, electrical energy, potential energy, then kinetic energy. These are the different forms of energy. When the one form of energy is converted into another form, that is called thermodynamics. What do you mean by chemical thermodynamics? So chemical thermodynamics means what? When there is a study of transformation of energy from one form into another form during chemical reaction. Okay, so that is called chemical thermodynamics. So this is thermodynamics. No, this is one of the branch of science that deals with the different forms of energy, then quantitative relationships between them, and the energy changes that occurs in physical and chemical process. Okay, understood? So this is about the chemical thermodynamics term. So thermodynamics means there is a change in energy from one form into another form, and when this change in energy takes place during the chemical reaction, then it is called chemical thermodynamics. See here the examples are given. Transformation of liquid water into vapor, then solid ice into liquid. Okay, these are some examples. Then see, there's one example is given, dry cell. In a dry cell, no, the chemical energy is there, and that chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Second is electroplating of metals. So here the electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, so these are some examples of this thermodynamics. Okay, now see the one example is given. At the top of dam, water is stored in a reservoir. It has a certain potential energy. Due to its height from ground level and its kinetic energy is negligible as it is not in motion. As the water starts to fall down through an outlet, its potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases due to the downward velocity. It means what? It means that potential energy of falling water is converted into kinetic energy. Okay, so thermodynamics is concerned with the energy changes in physical and chemical transformation. See, there is one limitation of thermodynamics. That is, gives no information on the rates of physical or chemical processes. Okay, so this is one of the limitation of thermodynamics. Then we will see these terms used in thermodynamics: system and surrounding. What do you mean by system and surrounding? See here in the diagram where the system is what? This is a cylinder is kept and that filled with the gas. Okay, so this is one of the system, and outside part of that system is called surrounding. So a part of universe under thermodynamic investigation, no, that is called system, and all other parts of universe outside the system such as cylinder, room and others that called surroundings. So universe means what? This is made of system plus surrounding. Okay, so this is about system and surrounding. System means where the gas is kept, and the surrounding means outside parts. of the system. Next, there is a type of system. There are three types of system. One is the open system, second is the closed system, and third one is the isolated system. Okay, so we will see one by one. So first one is the open system. Open system means what? See in the diagram where the matter and energy, okay, that exchange with the surrounding. See, there is a cup of tea. So open cup containing hot coffee placed in room, and that coffee now cools down, releasing heat to the surrounding. Means what? The water vapor from coffee simultaneously passes into the surrounding. Okay, and the heat can flow from system to the surrounding or in opposite direction. So here the water vapor that can escape from system into the surrounding. At the same time, heat also flow from system to the surrounding. So here the matter and energy both are exchanged with the surrounding. That's why it is called open system. So open system means what? The system which is exchange both energy and matter with the surrounding. That is called open system. Second is closed system. So see in the diagram, closed system. So cup containing hot coffee is covered with the saucer. So coffee cools down by giving away heat to the surrounding. The water vapor from coffee now does not pass into the surrounding. Such system that exchange energy and not the matter with the surrounding is called closed system. So no water vapor can escape from the system So here there is an exchange of energy and not the matter with the surrounding. That's called closed system. Now the third one is the isolated system. See in the diagram, the cup containing hot coffee covered with saucer is insulated from the surrounding, and coffee does not cool down. So there is no escape of water vapor into the surrounding. So such system that does not allow exchange of either energy or matter with the surrounding is an isolated system. So in this way there are three types of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Open system means there is an exchange of energy and matter with the surrounding. In closed system there is only exchange of energy, not the matter with the surrounding. And isolated means it does not allow the exchange of either energy or matter with the surrounding. That is isolated system. Okay, so here there are three types of system. Next is the properties of system. Here it is divided into two types: extensive property and intensive property. So extensive property means what? The property which depends on the amount of matter present in the system. That is called extensive property. And the intensive property means what? A property which is independent of the amount of matter in a system is called intensive property. The examples are also given. See the extensive property. The examples are mass, volume, internal energy, heat capacity, number of moles. And in intensive property, the examples are given: pressure, temperature, surface tension, viscosity, melting point, boiling point, and so on. Okay, so this is about the thermodynamics. So thermodynamics means what? There is the exchange of energy from one form into the another form. Okay, so it's a different forms of energies are there: potential energy, chemical energy, electrical energy. Okay, then system and surrounding. These are the two important terms used in thermodynamics. System means for example, like the reaction mixture that is placed in a flask. Okay, so that is system. And when the flask is kept in bath, thermostat bath. So that is its surrounding. Okay. Then the type of system. Type means there are three types of system: open system, closed system, and isolated system. Okay. So this is about the thermodynamics. Okay. So in next lecture we will see the next topic. Okay. Thank you.